Foreign Minister had a talk with Russia on 16 February 2022. So in that they mentioned that they partially support Russia for oil and such things. But what is the strong state of your country and what is the status of your country for this thing?
As I said in my speech, the main purpose, the main position of Brazil is world peace. But Brazil's economy mainly depends on agriculture. Therefore, importing fertilizers, oil. Therefore, importing fertilizers, oil from Russia is necessary.
The delegate of Myanmar.
Morning everyone. The Republic of the Union of Myanmar believes that all the nations around the globe should stand together with unity and should work on the establishment and promotion of global peace. We as a nation stand with the motto, united we stand, divided we fall, and we strictly bind ourselves to the vision of global peace.